What should I do with my life? Can you tell me? What should I do? Eat an Oreo every minute of the day? Of every hour? Of every week? Of every year? I want to be a pro wrestler. Probably not gonna happen, but I want to be a pro wrestler. Like him. Him. Johnny Nitro. Which is now known as John Morrison. Yep, there he is. Oreos are good. Might be a Oreo maker. I might be an acrobat.